Ladies and gentlemen, the regular chief guest, and I shall now invite our campfire one national.
It is a pleasure to be here for this foundation stone laying ceremony project that will make difference in the lives of the people of Nailaga Village. I would also like to thank and acknowledge the staff and stakeholders who made this project possible. It is also a moment for my staffs in particular for taking great interest in this project so that we can have a volleyball court for the people of Nailaga, especially the youths. I would also like to thank the management of Ratur Siate Nambuta Memorial School for allocating this piece of land so that we are able to construct this concrete volleyball court. As mentioned earlier on, I would also like to acknowledge the contractors, co-builders and Furniture Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why we have chose to construct volleyball court in and around the country, because this is one sport that young and old can all take part in it. And that is why for this financial year we have decided to construct 3 volleyball courts. I would also like to extend my appreciation to all the community members and others who are either working on the project or can't wait for it to be open so that they can utilize these facilities. This new facility will have a great positive impact on the community of Nailaga as it will promote health and well-being for the community and also identify some talents in the community that will in future be representing Fijian sports, just like we have got known soccer players from this village. The facility is intended for sports like volleyball, and it will also be an income generating opportunity for the youth club and the community as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, now the time has come to lay the concrete foundation, and it is my honor to take part in this foundation stone laying ceremony with the Vanua and the Talatala. With these few words, once again, God bless us all, Vinaka, and thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.